In example 5, we're going to determine the supplement of the angle. So we have to think of an angle here. When we add it to 5, we get 180. And I think that's 175. Some of them you can do in your head. Another way to think about it is 180 minus this original angle is going to give us the supplement. If we take 180 and subtract 10, we get 170. And if you get to a difficult area and you're allowed to use a calculator, you can type this in as 180 minus 22 here. You're going to get 158. With the next one, we got 34 degrees. So I think this one's going to be 146. 6 and 4 is 10. 14 and 3 is 17. 170. And 10 is 180. So we're good to go. 48 would be the next one, so we've got 132. And if you're looking for a pattern, these numbers here, unless we end in a 0, will add up to 17. And then these numbers will add up to 10 right there. In this case, we had 17 and 1, but we had some zeros here, and so there's a little bit different of the situation. So if we use that thinking here, we know that the first digit in the ones position has to be a 2. And then we'll have 10 here, so if we want 180, we'll have to make sure that these two numbers here are going to add up to 170, because we already have 10 here. So I believe that's going to be an 11 there. So 11 and 16 is 17. If we were to perform this operation, you would find that when you add these two numbers, you get 180 degrees. The next one would be 106, 90. Then we want to think of an angle. When we add it to 120, we get 180, and that would be 60. 145, I think that's going to be 35. So we've got 14 and 3 is 17, or 170 in this case. And 5 and 5 is 10, and 10 and 170 makes 180.